Getting on down, break, break, break.
What's going on? What's going on out there in the world of sound?
Yeah, we're just reading the mail, man. We just copying the mail. It sounds like the West Coast is coming in there, break.
Yeah, no doubt about it. T-Bird, saying you go back in my nest.
Yeah, I think you said it was T-Bird. Is that what it was, T-Bird?
Yeah, careful with T-Bird out here in San Diego there, Bear.
How about it? Let's see if this Wilson 1000 works on the patio. John Denver on the Wilson 1000.
Yeah, your Wilson 1000 is working there, John Denver.
Alright, I just cut old T-Bird's radio off on his configured ground plane. Audio on 100 watts. John Denver on the Wilson 1000. Yeah, let's get down. John Denver on the Wilson 1000 doing 100 watts. Let's go.
Yeah, I'll tell you what there, John Denver. Yeah, you're right. You cut T-Bird off, man. I was just about to tell him he was showing up around Honolulu, and you cut him off. And you cut off everybody else that was talking behind him, too, there. John Denver. I hope you're having a good weekend there. Whiskey 2 Alpha around Honolulu waving.
Right back there, Whiskey 2 Alpha, while I'm on the Wilson 1000 because my ground plane crashed. My ground plane crashed, so I'm running the Wilson 1000 omnidirectional. Take care around Honolulu. John Denver, rocking on.
Well, I'll tell you what, man. If that's your Wilson 1000, you don't need no ground plane. You don't need no ground plane there, John Denver, man. You showing up around Honolulu with that Wilson 1000. Okay, John Denver, man. Have a good evening. Whiskey 2 Alpha. Right around this shack in Honolulu. Aloha. How about it, T-Bird? You still out there? Yeah, you showing up around Honolulu, man. I just wanted to sneak that in there before John Denver came back out to play. But T-Bird, I hope you're having a good weekend. You're looking good around this shack in Honolulu. T-Bird around San Diego. Aloha. Yeah, come on. Who's calling the mini grass? Hey, One Double Nickel, how's it going, my friend? Yeah, conditions kind of sloppy right now. They're coming in and out, but should get better as the evening wears on there. One Double Nickel, always good to hear you in my receive, my friend. One Double Nickel, Whiskey 2 Alpha around Honolulu waving. Aloha. Okay, One Double Nickel, man. You take care and you have a good weekend too. Whiskey 2 Alpha around this shack waving. Aloha.
Check Whiskey 2 Alpha. You have a beautiful day. Yeah, you know you. I got the numbers messed up before. I saw Whiskey 2 Alpha. Wonderful Nickel with the Cobra 2000. He's a Collins out of this. Sweet. Ciao, ciao.
Okay, with the Cobra 2000, man. You looking good. Aloha.
I got my beam cranked down, but I got it pointed into Hawaii. I got it pointed into Hawaii. Hello.
Yeah, big difference there, John Denver. Big difference, man. That thing's smoking right now.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, take your time, man. I'm going to run in the house and get something to drink there.